Before I reveal the 11 powerful words that can instantly change your life, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, visualizing, affirming, scripting, but nothing seems to happen? Do you find yourself stuck, waiting, wondering when your manifestation will finally show up? What if I told you that you're just 11 words away from unlocking the ability to manifest instantly? Words so powerful that, when spoken with conviction, they send a direct command to your subconscious and the universe, forcing reality to shift in your favor. These words are based on Neville Goddard's teachings and the law of assumption, and when used correctly, they can eliminate resistance, remove doubt, and accelerate your manifestations faster than you ever thought possible. But before I give you these words, I need to show you why they work, how to use them, and what critical mistakes to avoid, because most people unknowingly block their manifestations without realizing it. Welcome to Laws of the Universe. In this video, I'll break down the secret behind these 11 words, why they work instantly, and how you can use them right now to manifest anything you desire. Stay with me till the end, because once you learn this, you'll never look at manifestation the same way again. Let's get started. Why words are the key to instant manifestation. Neville Goddard taught that words are commands that shape your reality. Every time you speak, you are giving instructions to your subconscious mind, and your subconscious then projects those instructions into your reality. Think of your mind like a powerful radio transmitter, constantly sending out frequencies that match your beliefs and emotions. The universe then returns experiences that align with what you transmit. The problem? Most people unknowingly send out the wrong frequencies by using words that block their desires. For example, I'm always struggling. You attract more struggle. I never have enough money. You reinforce financial lack. Love never works out for me. You push love further away. Most people don't realize that the words they speak become the reality they experience. They affirm their problems without even knowing it. But what happens when you start using words that align directly with your desires? Your reality shifts, instantly, and that's exactly what these 11 words are designed to do. But before I reveal them, let's talk about why most people fail at manifestation and how you can avoid their mistakes. Why most people fail to manifest instantly. If manifestation is truly this simple, why do so many people struggle? It all comes down to 3 critical mistakes. 1. They don't believe their affirmations. Most people say affirmations, but deep down, they don't believe them. For example, they say, I am rich, but they feel broke. Love is coming, but they feel lonely. I am successful, but they fear failure. Your subconscious doesn't respond to empty words, it responds to belief. If you say something but don't feel it as truth, your subconscious rejects it, and nothing changes. 2. They ask instead of commanding. Most people unknowingly beg the universe instead of commanding it. They say things like, please bring me money. I hope I find love. I wish I could be successful. When you beg, you are affirming that you don't have it yet, which keeps it away. Neville Goddard taught that the key to instant manifestation is to assume it is already yours. Instead of begging, you must command your reality and declare it done. 3. They stay in waiting mode. Many people unknowingly delay their manifestations because they are constantly waiting for them to appear. They keep checking, asking, where is it? Why hasn't it come yet? But the moment you wait, you push it away, because waiting means you don't believe it's already done. So how do you fix this? By using 11 powerful words that put you into the state of already having your desire. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, the 11 words that manifest instantly. Here they are. I am. I command. It is done. I have it now. Why these words work like magic. Each part of this statement is carefully chosen to activate your subconscious and command reality to shift instantly. I am, the 2 most powerful words in existence. Whatever follows them becomes your reality. I command, sends a direct order to your subconscious and the universe. It is done, declares your desire already fulfilled, removing all doubt. I have it now, brings your manifestation into the present moment, making it real. When you say these words with absolute certainty, your subconscious immediately accepts them as truth, and the universe responds accordingly. Now, let's talk about how to use them correctly for maximum power. How to use these 11 words for instant manifestation. Now that you have the 11 words, here's how to use them effectively. 1. Say them with power. Don't just say the words, command them. Feel the certainty that your manifestation is already here. 2. Repeat them daily. Say them in the morning and before bed. These are the times when your subconscious mind is most receptive. 3. Feel it as already done. The secret to instant manifestation is feeling as if you already have it. Ask yourself, how would I feel if I already had my desire? Feel the joy, relief, and excitement. Act as if it's already done. 4. Use them during meditation. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and repeat the words slowly while visualizing your dream reality. 5. Write them down. The more you see and say them, the faster they sink into your subconscious. 6. Speak them when doubt creeps in. Whenever you feel doubt or fear, repeat these words. This will instantly shift your energy and bring you back into alignment with your manifestation. Say these 11 words with me now. Let's activate your manifestation right now. Take a deep breath. Say these words out loud with me. I am. I command. It is done. I have it now. Say it again, but this time, feel it as real. Now, let go. Trust that it's already done. The universe has heard you. Your manifestation is on its way right now. What are you manifesting? Comment below. I want to hear from you. What are you manifesting right now? Comment below and declare it into existence. If you found this video powerful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a manifestation secret. This is Laws of the Universe, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you are powerful. You command your reality. And it is done.